Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at the issue you can see on screen. This invalid parameter PBFPubKey can terminate this session. So this happens if you are receiving money with Flutterwave. Whether you own a Flutterwave merchant dashboard or you created an account or someone created it for you. Basically, if you are accepting payments from customers or clients with Flutterwave, you most likely get this issue sometimes. So I want to assume you are watching this video because you want to know how to resolve this. Well, before we get into it, I would like to mention that if you're a customer, if you're a user that is trying to pay for something and you're seeing this, please know that it's not your network, it's not your fault. You need to talk to the person who sent you the link, the payment link, or wherever you saw it. Even if it's a POS, you need to talk to the owner of the business to look into it. And if you want to take a step further and show them how to fix it, you can watch this video till the end, because that is what this is all about. How to fix this issue so that customers can pay you, or so that you as a customer will be able to make payments for something. So again, whoever is fixing it needs to have access to Flutterwave's dashboard. Right, so you as a customer, if you're on your phone trying to pay for something and the error is coming up, there's really nothing you can do about it. The owner of the business, the owner of the school, the owner of the whatever needs to fix this issue from their Flutterwave dashboard, and this is how to fix it. So I'm logged into my Flutterwave dashboard currently, as you can see here. The first thing you want to do is log into your Flutterwave account, then go to settings, then you want to come to API keys. So the gist of the matter is that the APIs have either expired or something happened. Maybe your account was on hold for like a year or something. You didn't receive payment, so Flutterwave closed it down. Now you recovered your account, and now you're getting that error when people are trying to pay for something. So the solution is the API keys. You need to generate new API keys. But before you generate new API keys, you want to also be sure that you're in live mode here on your Flutterwave dashboard. So you need to be in live mode. If you're not in live mode, then it could also be the reason this issue is happening. So make sure that you're live. Flutterwave has not closed your account. Nothing has happened to your account. You're in live mode. If you're in live mode and this is happening, you need to come to settings, then API keys. Then what you want to do is generate new API keys. Immediately you generate new API keys, it will generate new keys here. Of course, when the new keys are generated, you need to copy everything. Click on copy to copy everything and save it somewhere just in case. So if you've generated the new API keys now, and you've copied it and saved it somewhere, you need to now go back to payments, go to payment links, and then create a new payment link. So very, very important. You need to create a new payment link. Again, the issue was happening because the current payment link you have is not working, right? So you need to go ahead and create a new payment link because you generated new API keys. So create a new payment link, and then once you create a new payment link, everything should start working fine. So that is the solution to pretty much resolving the issue. Of course, I know you might have questions for me. Feel free to ask me in the comments. The other thing I would also like to mention is, if you're still getting the error after doing all of this and you're in live mode, there is always that third option of reaching out to the Flutterwave team. They have a support email that you can pretty much go to reach out to them. I don't know if it's at the footer of the site or if you can use this chat box as well, but basically you can send a message to the Flutterwave team and they can look into it for you. If you want their exact email, I can also include it in the chat of this video, basically the comment box of this video, so you can reach out to them. So that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. This is super easy to fix. I freaked out at first, but a friend helped and it was pretty straightforward. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.